Hello guys, today we're talking about the analytical perspective of international trade between Colombia and Japan. Globalization and free trade agreements allowed increased integration of countries in world trade. Improve competitiveness, increase the flow of foreign direct investment, among other benefits. Then the case of the free trade agreements between Colombia and Japan to study. Through the historical context, evaluation of macroeconomic performance, especially of gross domestic product and trade balance, also the impact of comparative advantage generate in the bilateral agreements, with the objective is identifying the main advantage of possible disadvantage are taken into account in the signing of the trade. Facing the macroeconomic behavior is during 2015, gross domestic product at currency price by Colombia was $411 billion, while Japan was $5,372 billion. According to the IMF, Japan is the third largest global economy and represents 5.3% of the world trade. Now, facing the trade balance between Colombia and Japan, it's evident that during the 2015, Colombia received a total of 409 billion for export to Japan. Among the most representative product is coffee with a 55%, oil 90%, and flowers 9%. Regarding imports, it's evidence that during 2015, the main products were machinery and equipment 32%, cars 27%, and metallurgy 21%. Notably, the total imports received for Japan were worth $902 million, which is evidence that Colombia has a trade deficit against Japan. Regarding the comparative advantage of Colombia, we may find that expertise is based on commodities or raw materials, which have not added value such as coffee, flowers, ferronickel, and oil. While assessing the comparative advantage of Japan is that specialization is based on production of secondary goods, which have added value. According to Ministry of Commerce, Industry and Tourism, if the trading was that generate competitiveness, dynamics, and performance according to the index revealed comparative advantage will be flowers, bananas, potatoes, and chloric. Recording the most sensitive to trade product reference is coffee, ferronickel, and article of precious stones. It's made affected by the market station of international commodities. Although despite for high qualities, there are countries offer lower costs generated by productivity, or if is for your localization or transport costs. The signing of the trade agreement between Colombia and Japan is a great opportunity so by the comparative advantage that Colombia especially has agribusiness, production more competitive and productive against the world market. There must improve better conditions of machinery and start developing technologies and innovate process, generate added value to the production. In addition to eliminate tariff barrier, Colombia will increase the flow of capital export of goods in which has comparative advantage and increased competitiveness generated by access to the new technologies and knowledge from Japan at lower cost. Also, thanks to globalization, our trade liberalization, Colombian consumer benefits because product diversification and high quality and low price. Okay, it is all for today. Bye.